The surest way to stay true to who you are, company or brand, or even individual, is to reinvent so as to continually become the most powerful and relevant version of yourself. If only we could position change in our minds as good and not bad, embracing it as a force for gain, well worth some degree of pain. If only we could see the need for change sooner, and sooner accept that nothing is immune from it. If change is on your mind, as it has been on mine since I was a child, then it is worth some time exploring what change actually is.